So I have asked Khabir Moraes to also show me how to cut tomatoes the right way, because I always screw up while cutting tomatoes, and even Sadia also always has difficulty in cutting tomatoes because we can never get it right. So now Khabir is going to show us how to cut tomatoes.
As you heard, he always screws up cutting tomatoes. So, I have a tomato and I have a knife. Let's do this. So, these are the tomato. Oh, sorry. That was an Italian accent.
Okay.
But these are tomatoes. To cut tomatoes, the skin of tomato is actually very difficult to cut through. So, the trick is either you have a sharp knife, or if you don't have a sharp knife, you can just do it the other way, which I will show you in a while. So what you take, look at that, it just slices through. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if your knife is sharp, you can directly go and cut through the skin and you can chop. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Look at that. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
So, perfectly chopped. If your knife is sharp. If you don't have a sharp knife, which most of us do, there is a trick. You take the half-cut tomato. Okay, take out the ass and then slice it to the center and you cut it this way.
Wow, I never knew this.
And most easiest way to chop a tomato. Same way, don't go through the skin. Flip it over, go through the flesh. Even if you don't have a sharp knife, you can cut this in a uniform way.
Voila! That was so easy, man. Guys, if you like that, try it out and let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye.